Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my April Crafty Bonbons box, and I believe that this month's theme is all about the sea, so sea creatures, dolphins, and corals and stuff. So I think it's more like under the sea. So as you open the box, you have this little mesh type thing, and there's a lot of things that I can think of what to do with this. It's either you use it to make your card as like a backing or a background, or also use it as a stencil. So that's going to be really interesting. So I'm gonna open my box again. All of the contents will be, coordinated, and some of them will be personalized if you get your box early. And so it felt like it's packed again. So here you are. So first thing I can see is a lovely pen. It's like a mermaidy type pen, and I'm sure this is black ink again. Yeah, it's black ink again. Oh, that's beautiful. It's got a nice weight to it, actually. And then I can see a roll of washi tape, which is like dolphin theme. There's like dolphin ocean theme. That's that. And then you get a packet of, I don't know whether these are die cuts or stickers. I have a feeling it's stickers. Oh, oops. It's stickers actually. So yeah, there's like whales and dolphins. That is quite cool. Yeah, there we go. I won't go through each and every individual sticker, because they're all like they're all pretty much the same. Like they're mostly mammals. Not mammals. They're mostly whales and dolphins. Apart from that, I don't know what that is. It was like an anchor. Okay, so that's that. As I said, you sometimes get personalized stuff. So I've got my initials, and this is like a die cut that you can stick in your journal or your planner. Then you get a blue trim. That's beautiful. Look at that. Don't know whether you can see the pattern, but that is gorgeous. Then you get another packet of die cuts, and this time it is like the foiled cardstock. So in here you get fishy, I think, is that a reef or, yeah, or sea plant of some sort, crab. This is like a pearl thing. It's another plant. So you get a lot from here. You get an octopus and a sea turtle. That's quite cute. So this box is gonna be, its contents will be good for like holiday journaling, or yeah, or sea themed journal. And I'm gonna open this other pack of die cut. This is my like kawaii type thing. Oh, that is a cute seal. How cute is that? So you've got a seal, starfish, a narwhal. Whoops. That's a cute dolphin. Is that a dolphin? Looks like a dolphin. So again, sea themed. Got some nice shells there. Turtle, fish, jellyfish, octopus, and a nice whale there. Oh, that is so cute. That's a cute whale. Then you get, oh, well, oops. Then you get a little pen pouch or stationery pouch, the narwhal on it. That is so cute. You get another set of die cuts, and this time it's, I think it's all coral reefs. There you go. That's so beautiful. Again, you can use this for creative journaling or just journaling your holiday, your seaside holiday. That is beautiful. That's a nice seahorse, sea urchin. Oh no, is that sea urchin? Anemone, sea anemone. Yeah, it's so beautiful. That's like looks like a zebrafish, but I'm not sure now. So that's beautiful. And there's a lot on the packet too. And then you get a tag, journal cards. Nope. How is this? Like that. Nice, cute. Or that, depending how you want it. Those are the journal cards. That's beautiful. Then you get some postcards. You got 2, perhaps. So that's beautiful. And then you get this beautiful paper clip. Oh, I'm glad I've got the turtle because oh, that's good. Love turtles. Then you get a packet of sequins and bits and bobs, like buttons. You've got little blue and green buttons and purples in there. And then you get a translucent sticky note. Sorry for the glare if it's glaring. You again get a packet of stickers. Oh my days. So there, I'm gonna put it against the background. Ooh. Again, fish, whale. What is this? Oh, like a sea dragon of some sort. That one's quite cute. And oh, this is interesting. It's like film things, film stickers or something, frames. Oh, I love that. Time waits for no one. Treasure every moment you have. Oh, Clover's eyes. Oh, make my choice. Oh my goodness. I've never seen this before, so this is quite cute. And are these stickers? Oh yeah, they are. Oh, that will be that'll be amazing to use on your with your photographs and journaling again. That is unique. I haven't seen this before, so that would be interesting to use. Oops. Let's just make sure that everything's in there. Ooh. Okay. Then you get a set of metallic pencils. Oh. So these are just pencils. So yeah, that's really good. Then you get a writing paper, 2, 3, 4. So you've got 6 there in total, with like 3 labels to go with it, so you can use that in your envelope. You get another set of stickers. Again, like with whales and fishes. So these are like washi stickers. Oh, yeah. So you get that one. So you get 3 lots. That's really nice. Oops. And then you get a whatchamacallit, I keep forgetting what it's called. Vinyl stickers. Shell, yeah. I love it. And I always ask for a A5, either a B6 or an A5 traveler's notebook insert. That's blue inside. That's really good. And here you got the papers. So that's that one. That's just one-sided. That's that one, and that's one-sided. That could be a nice traveler's notebook insert, actually, or traveler's notebook cover. This one's one-sided as well. That's quite cute too. And by the way, these cards are really nice and thick, and they're glossy. This one's they're all like really nice quality cardstocks. This one's quite good as well. Oh, they're beautiful. That one. Oh god, another beautiful one. I keep looking at it as if it's a journal cover. That's beautiful. And that one too. Amazing. Right, so that's it, guys. That's my CraftyBonbons April box, and I hope you like what I've shared with you. I love it. I'm actually working on my journal for when we went to Pembrokeshire, and that's almost like seaside themed. So it'd be nice to use some of the contents of this box. Hopefully I'll be able to show you that soon. And thanks for watching and hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.